Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Colby Village is one of the best-known residential neighborhoods in Cole Harbour, Nova Scotia, located on the eastern side of Halifax Harbour. Developed primarily during the 1970s and 80s, Colby Village was designed as a suburban community that offered families larger homes, quiet streets, schools, parks, and easy access to Dartmouth and downtown Halifax. Today, it remains one of the most established and sought-after neighborhoods in the Cole Harbour area. The neighborhood is home to 4,000 to 5,000 residents and is known for its strong sense of community. Most homes are owner-occupied and many residents have lived here for years.
Thank you very much.
The area attracts families, professionals, and retirees who appreciate its mature trees, well-maintained properties, and convenient location. Household incomes in the neighborhood are generally above the provincial average, reflecting its reputation as a stable middle-class community. Before suburban development arrived, the land that now makes up Colby Village consisted largely of forests, wetlands, and rural properties associated with the wider Cole Harbour area. Cole Harbour itself has a history stretching back to the 18th century, when settlers were drawn to the region by its sheltered waters and natural resources. As Dartmouth and Halifax expanded after the Second World War, suburban communities such as Colby Village emerged to meet the demand for new housing. One of the neighborhood's most recognizable features is Bissett Lake and the surrounding green spaces. Residents enjoy access to walking trails, playgrounds, and recreational areas that help give the community a relaxed and family-friendly atmosphere. Nearby Bissett Park provides open space for sports, outdoor activities, and community events. The area's abundance of green space remains one of its defining characteristics. Education has always played an important role in Colby Village. The neighborhood is served by several well-known schools, including Colby Village Elementary School, Caldwell Road Elementary School, Astral Drive Elementary School, and Astral Drive Junior High School. These schools have helped make the area attractive to families for decades and continue to serve students from across the surrounding community. Recreation is another major part of life in Colby Village. The nearby Cole Harbour outdoor pool and tennis complex is a popular destination during the warmer months, offering swimming programs, tennis courts, and family activities. Residents also have easy access to the Cole Harbour Heritage Trails, a network of pathways that connects parks, lakes, forests, and neighborhoods throughout the area. These trails are used year-round for walking, jogging, and cycling. Sports fans may recognize Colby Village and Cole Harbour because the area is closely associated with hockey superstar Sidney Crosby. Crosby grew up in Cole Harbour and became one of the most successful players in National Hockey League history. His connection to the community has brought international attention to the area and remains a source of local pride. Housing in Colby Village consists primarily of detached single-family homes, along with some townhouses and smaller residential developments. Most properties were built during the neighborhood's major growth years, giving the community a mature and established appearance. Home prices have increased significantly over the past decade, reflecting strong demand throughout the Halifax region. Recent market data shows average home sale prices in the neighborhood generally ranging from the mid-$500,000 range to around $600,000, although larger and updated homes can sell for considerably more. Transportation links are another advantage for residents. Colby Village is connected to the rest of the municipality through major roadways and Halifax transit bus routes. Commuters can travel relatively easily to Dartmouth, downtown Halifax, Burnside Business Park, and other employment centers throughout the region. This accessibility has contributed to the neighborhood's long-term popularity. Today, Colby Village is considered one of the most established suburban communities in Cole Harbour. Its combination of schools, parks, recreational facilities, mature landscaping, and convenient access to urban services continues to attract new residents. While the Halifax region has experienced rapid growth in recent years, Colby Village has maintained much of the character that made it popular when it was first developed. It remains a neighborhood known for stability, community spirit, and a high quality of life within Nova Scotia's largest metropolitan area.
watching!